Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 4. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to read and discuss our unit number 10. Topic is heat. This is the title page of your amazing science book. Unit number 10. Topic is heat. Fire heats the air in this hot air balloon. So students, here we have the picture of this hot air balloon. First of all, the question arises that what is heat? All things are made up of tiny particles called atoms. तमाम चीज़ें भी हमारे गिर्द जितनी भी चीज़ें मौजूद हैं, तमाम मटीरियल्स, ऑल थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड आर मेड अप ऑफ टाइनी पार्टिकल्स. बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स से मिलके बनते हैं एंड वी कॉल इट एटम्स. ग्रुप्स ऑफ एटम्स आर कॉल्ड मॉलिक्यूल्स. और जो डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ऑफ एटम्स अपने ग्रुप्स बनाता है वी कॉल इट मॉलिक्यूल्स. व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स? Molecules are always moving. Molecules हर वक्त मूव करते रहते हैं. When molecules move fast, they produce heat. जब molecules ज़्यादा तेज़ी के साथ मूव करते हैं, what they produce? They produce the heat. So students, here we have the example. When we rub our hands, what will you observe or feel? You will feel the heat. So the movement of molecules produces the heat. Many people sitting in a small room also produce a lot of heat because our bodies are producing and expelling the heat. Next, in this box, he is telling you that we can usually find out how hot or cold something is by touching it, but we might be mistaken. हमने किसी भी बॉडी को अगर चेक करना हो कि वो गर्म है या ठंडी है, हम उसको टच करके चेक करते हैं, लेकिन इसमें गलती हो सकती है. टेक 3 बाउल्स. आप 3 बाउल्स लें. पुट वेरी कोल्ड वाटर इन वन. एक में बहुत ठंडा पानी डाल दें. ल्यूक वार्म वाटर इन अनदर. एक में ज़रा हल्का गर्म पानी डालें. एंड हॉट वाटर इन द थर्ड. और थर्ड बाउल में आपने ज़्यादा गर्म पानी डालना है. Dip one hand in the hot water and the other in the cold water for a minute. Now dip both hands in the lukewarm water. What do you notice? सबसे पहले आपने जो ज़्यादा गर्म पानी है उसमें हैंड्स अपने डिप करने हैं, फिर ज़्यादा कोल्ड वाटर में for a minute, and then you have to dip both your hands in the lukewarm water. What will you observe? The warm water feels hot. आपको जो थोड़ा गर्म पानी भी है वो ज़्यादा गर्म महसूस होगा. So what will you observe? The lukewarm water feels hot to the hand that was in cold water earlier. जो पहले ठंडे पानी में था, अब थोड़े गर्म पानी में आपको ज़्यादा गर्म महसूस होगा. While the same water feels cold to the hand that was in hot water. Next students, we have this instrument. We call this instrument thermometer. Here we have the mercury inside the thermometer. Here we have the bulb of thermometer. This is a clinical thermometer. We use an instrument called a thermometer. हम एक instrument use करते हैं जिसको हम thermometer कहते हैं to find out the temperature of something. अगर हमने किसी भी body का temperature find out करना है, then we will use this instrument. Temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the measure which tells us how hot or cold something is. Temperature हमें बताता है कि कोई भी बॉडी कितनी ठंडी या कितनी गर्म है. A thermometer is made up of a thin glass tube. Look here in the picture, students. Thermometer is made up of thin glass tube with a bulb at one end. The bulb has mercury inside it. When the bulb is dipped in a glass of warm water, the mercury rises in the tube. जब भी हम थर्मामीटर को डिप करते हैं ग्लास ऑफ वार्म वाटर में, तो जो मर्करी है इसके अंदर वो राइज करती है इन द ट्यूब. When the bulb is dipped in a glass of cold water, the mercury falls. Next students, we have the temperature scales. The glass tube of a thermometer has marking on it as shown in this picture. Yes, here we have the marking on it. It is called the temperature scale. The level of the mercury on the scale shows the temperature in degrees. What is Celsius scale? In the Celsius scale, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees centigrade and boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. In case of Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Nowadays, digital thermometers and plastic strip thermometers are commonly used besides mercury thermometers for clinical purposes. Next student, here we have this activity. What he is saying in this activity? Stand the bulb of a thermometer into ice cold water for at least 1 or a minute. Mark the level of mercury in the tube as 0 degree centigrade, which is the freezing point of water. Now stand the bulb of the thermometer in boiling water for at least a minute. Mark the new level of the mercury as 100 degrees centigrade, which is the boiling point of water. So students, through this activity we can easily judge that what is the boiling point and what is the freezing point of the water. Laboratory thermometers are different from clinical thermometers. जो हम लोग लेबोरेटरी में थर्मामीटर्स यूज करते हैं वो क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर्स से डिफरेंट हैं. दे आर मेड ऑफ आइदर मेटल और ग्लास, या तो वो मेटल से मिलके बनते हैं या ग्लास के बने होते हैं. दे आर यूज फॉर प्रिसाइज मेजरमेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर और टेम्परेचर चेंज. हाउ टू हैंडल थर्मामीटर सेफली, आप कैसे इसको महफूज तरीके से हैंडल कर सकते हैं. मर्करी थर्मामीटर कैन ब्रेक इजीली एज इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ग्लास. जो मर्करी थर्मामीटर होता है वो ग्लास मटेरियल का बना होता है, इसलिए वो जल्दी टूट सकता है. डू नॉट होल्ड अ ग्लास क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर बिटवीन योर टीथ. अपने दांतों के दरमियान आपने उसको क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर को नहीं दबाना, बिकॉज मर्करी इन इट्स बल्ब इज ए पॉइजनस and can be dangerous if swallowed. Do not dip a glass clinical thermometer in boiling water. Boiling water में आपने clinical thermometer को dip नहीं करना. It is marked to measure human body temperature only. वो सिर्फ ह्यूमन बॉडी के टेम्परेचर को मालूम करने के लिए बने हुए हैं, नॉट टू चेक द बॉइलिंग वाटर. Do not hold the bulb of the glass thermometer when reading the temperature, as it will show your body temperature and will not give an accurate reading. Next students, we have the activities. Take your temperature. You can take your temperature. A mercury thermometer is marked in degrees Fahrenheit. Wash a doctor's thermometer and put its bulb in your armpit for 1 minute. आप अपने आर्मपिट में उसको 1 मिनट के लिए रखना है. टेक इट आउट, फिर उसको बाहर निकालना है. एंड रीड द लेवल ऑफ मर्करी, और फिर मर्करी के लेवल को आपने ग्लास के अंदर ऑब्जर्व करना है, रीड करना है ऑन द मार्क स्केल. इट शुड बी 98.6 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट और 37 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. If you have fever, अगर आपको बुखार होगा, the temperature of your body will be higher. तो इस टेम्परेचर से ज़्यादा होगी आपका body temperature. Make a water thermometer. Put a glass tube through a cork and fit it in the mouth of a glass bottle full of water. Use a dropper to put some colored water in the glass tube. Mark the level of the colored water. Place the bottle in a tub of hot water. The level of the colored water in the glass tube will rise. Place the glass bottle in a tub of cold water. The level of the colored water in the glass tube will fall. So students, Here we have this picture. Here we have color being added in the water. Water level rises. Here we have the hot water. Inside this beaker, water level falls because of the cold water, and because of the hot water, water level rises up. Next students, we have the exercise. The solved exercise is given here. Answer the following questions. Number 1, when molecules move fast, they produce heat. Question number B, a thermometer is an instrument used to find out exactly how hot something is. Part C, the marking on a thermometer are called the temperature scale. Part D, my normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees centigrade. Part E, the correct answer is the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. Next students, question number 2, we have the fill in the blanks. A, answer is atoms. B, yes, answer is heat. C, answer is thermometer. D, answer is rises. E, answer is falls. F, answer is 0 degree centigrade. Part G, correct answer is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Part H, correct answer is higher. Part I, correct answer is heat. Part J, correct answer is mercury. Question number 3, find the temperature of the following using a laboratory thermometer. So students, here we have this laboratory thermometers. Look at the level of mercury inside it and read the readings on the marked scale. You will get the proper reading on the laboratory thermometer. So this is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.